Hello, what is up everybody? RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video, and in today's video we're actually reviewing something special here. So what you're seeing in front of you right now is actually the Hot Wheels 2023 Legends Tour, which is only available by participating in the Art of Speed Malaysia Hot Wheels Legends Tour. You have to pay a certain amount in order to get it, or you could purchase a certain box where they have special goodies in it. It would cost around 60 bucks. If you're in the US, it would cost around $60, but here in Malaysia it would cost around 250 bucks, where you get this special limited edition Hot Wheels Legends Tour Honda S2000, and you can get other stuff like Hot Wheels Legends Tour cap. You can get a metal flask, or is it a metal water bottle or something, and they also gave a t-shirt, if I'm not mistaken, and of course you definitely get this car as well. Now there is another chance for you to get this car is by paying I think $50 worth of Hot Wheels cars, including a Hot Wheels set, a Hot Wheels track set or whatever. You can get this car for free if you do so, and you could actually get a poster with that, I believe. So I basically bought the whole box thing where you can get some Hot Wheels Legends limited edition stuff, and you can get this car. Now you might be thinking, how did I get that signature? Now if you don't know whose signature is that is actually Matt Gabe. Now if you don't know Matt Gabe, basically Matt Gabe is a car designer for Hot Wheels. He is one of the former Hot Wheels designers for the Hot Wheels community team, basically at Mattel. He works for Mattel. He designs card arts for the cars. I'm not sure whether it's for mainline or car culture. I think it's more to mainline, so he basically designs them all. And fortunately at the time, at a certain time, I believe he was available for only 1 to 2 hours at the Art of Speed Malaysia. That's the event where I went to for the Hot Wheels Legends Tour, and they end up having a meet and greet and also a signing event where you can give up to 3 items for Matt Gabe to sign for you. Of course, he has his own display of cars at the table. I get to meet him and basically took pictures with him. And right beside it was the Hot Wheels Proton Saga, which is also a more new casting for 2024. It's a new car where the first color was in red, and I get to see a preview of it right at the Hot Wheels Legends Tour of 2023 at of course the Art of Speed of Malaysia. And what we have right in front of us is the Honda S2000, which is limited to the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. I believe people in the US are also able to get this car by any chance, yes. And you can get multiple of them by either buying the box here in Malaysia, where you can get Hot Wheels Legends stuff, or you can buy up to $50 or 200 Malaysian ringgit worth of cars, and you'll be able to get this car for free. And without further ado, let's open the blister up. I'm not sure I may be the first or anything to open this and actually show you the car outside of the box or anything, but of course you get a blister with it where you can store the car. Just says Hot Wheels on the blister. I'm not sure if I've shown you a blister before by Hot Wheels. Oops, sorry. Put that at the back. Here it is, the Honda S2000 with, quite a different layer of a card. As you can tell, it's way more thicker. Like the whole card itself is actually quite thick, not gonna lie. Interesting enough, it's quite different. So it says Honda S2000 right there. We have the car over there in purple. We have the regular like card art design for the whole car itself. Here it is, the S2000. We have the special signature by Matt Gabe himself. Hot Wheels logo as usual. Hot Wheels Legend Store. And you might be thinking, where's like the J hook or any hook right normally up here? Yes, they don't have a hook for the special Hot Wheels Legend Store. Instead, it's something like a Hot Wheels RLC type of card packaging, which is pretty interesting and quite nice. So here's the front of the card. Moving on to the back, as you can see, the back is quite similar. They don't use the regular cardboard for their cars, so it's quite a thicker layer of cardboard, which is interesting. 2023 collector edition right there. You can see the front, back side, the side of the car, and also the roof. And you can pause to read that out right there if you want. And yeah, basically everything's the same. There's that if you want. But yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. Maybe surprising to hear that from for some people out there, because many people decide to keep this car carded, basically like this Hot Wheels Legend Tour S2000. And well, yeah, here it is uncarded, as you can see. Here it is, the Honda S2000. Now let's talk about the Matt Gabe meet and greet. Now there were 2 days that he came so that he could do a meet and greet and signature event where you can give at least 3 items, but before that you need to at least purchase something from like their Hot Wheels merch store, like their pop-up store, whatever you want to call it, where you have to purchase at least a single like Hot Wheel or anything, and you are able to line up for the event. Many people brought their own cars. Basically, they brought like R34s, they brought a bunch of stuff like Hot Wheels premiums, RLCs, like their custom diecast cars for Matt Gabe to sign. And there were a ton of stuff there, basically. And this is not the only event where Matt Gabe came. He came to Malaysia only for the Art of Speed event, and then a few months later he came for the I think it's like a diecast event in Singapore, where he came and basically it's like a market, like I'm not sure what the event is about, but he did came for the event. So I assume he did fly back to Singapore to visit the event and do a meet and greet, I guess. And yeah, that's the story about Matt Gabe coming to Malaysia. And another thing is, he did actually go to the Hot Wheels Legends Tour event itself, where he gets to see multiple amazing cars over there. Like there were a ton of cars displayed there. I get to see it. There was that huge Hot Wheels card. That was like my first time ever joining the Hot Wheels Legends Tour event. So yeah, it was a fun experience. Like you get to see the whole event itself. I actually participated in that event as well. Well, my mom originally wanted to, so she used her Mazda RX-8 and joined the event, and basically get to participate in the event. Sadly, of course, we didn't win. Basically, there were a ton of great other cars that were displayed there, and I'm not sure what's actually the winner of the RLC, the Hot Wheels Legends Tour event. But yeah, overall it's a fun experience. Now back to this Honda S2000 here. So magnificent color. I think we have a sort of want to be Spectra Flame purple, as you can see. Love the shininess of the car. You can see that it has shiny chrome silver rims and some silver trim as well on this car. Love to see that. You have basically a fully detailed headlights, rear lights, basically the whole livery of the car looks so great. It even has rubber tires, if you are wondering. I'm not sure whether there are other people that unbox this car as well. I mean, it's quite difficult to like open a car like this, even though like you have RLCs that you've opened before, some other like event models, but it's hard for this car. Like, sure, it looks nice in this awesome looking Spectraflame purple, but still, it is it hurts for some people to like open the car up. But yeah, let's go ahead and check out its detail up close. So it's not too heavy or anything, even though it's more to like a want to be RLC and want to be car culture type of car. There is a bit of a downside for this car that I'll talk about in a bit. So firstly, we have the wheels and rims. We have rubber tires, of course, and you have these chrome silver rims. Not sure what type of rims are these, let me know down in the comments. I believe the front and rear rims should be the same. I mean the wheels, sorry, should be the same size as so. There are some silver trims for the side of the door, I mean like the side skirts and everything. So you have the AEM sponsor, I believe. You have the racing number, Hot Wheels number 12. What are the other like so you have Leeway, Dima. What else? I can't technically see. Clone, I don't know. There are some other sponsors right there. You can check them out. Moving on to the front of the car, we have some more silver trim for the front bumper. We have the headlights colored and detailed. We have the Honda logo, AEM on the front, on the hood, sorry. Some red decals and a bit of matte black at the hood right here, and even some hood details right there, which is pretty nice. I just love the purple on this one. So we have a matte black roof as well, which is interesting, and you even have a roof scoop. You have a hood scoop as well, forgot to mention that. Here is the other side, if you're wondering, same thing as the other side just now. Moving on to the back, we have a massive rear spoiler, which is metal by the way. Rear lights right here, the Honda logo as well right there. I believe the reverse lights right there. No license plate or anything. Some exhaust tips which are also colored in silver, including the, what do you call this, diffuser at the bottom, which is nice. And yeah, here comes the disappointing part of this car. We have a plastic chrome base, which is a big downside for this car. If it were to be, that's what I said, it's a want to be RLC. It has a plastic base, which is sad. So yeah, Honda S2000 2010 Mattel and made in Malaysia. Sadly, it does come with a chrome but plastic base, which is sad. I wish it were to be metal, but what can I do? So yeah, it does roll, if you are wondering. There you go, which is not bad. I mean, it's quite lowered, but still pretty cool. Overall, quite a sick car. Just look at the colors of the car, like the purple Spectraflame color, the looks of it just seems amazing. Love the whole chrome rims on these, chrome silver rims. They are just gorgeous. The side skirts, the diffuser, the front bumper just looks amazing. Headlight details, rear light details are just pretty nice. I mean, I don't have any car culture ones to compare it with, but still, it doesn't need comparing. I mean, it looks good, I would say. I don't know if you can compete it with RLC. Surely you could, but minus the base part. Basically, that's the only downside. Even though it's a wannabe car culture premium Hot Wheels, even mainline actually, you can't complain much. Even though you have the rubber tires, the Spectraflame color, like the whole plastic base thing, it's I guess fine. But yeah, there you go. That is my review of the Honda S2000 from the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. And yeah, it was a great experience. The whole event was very nice, and yeah, I do appreciate it. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.